Walkout sucked. Oh. I'm about to stress some people out, but I am headed out like 5 minutes before sunrise. So I'm gonna be that guy that shows up super late and everybody claims that it messes up the hunt, but got stuff going on. I was in charge and I said I would go hunt later. So that's what I'm doing. Still getting out there. It's raining. Beautiful day to be out. A little bit later, look at it, cloudy. Should be all right. All right, it is like 40 minutes after, which actually is not terrible since it's a 45-minute drive from my house. So we're gonna get going now. I'm gonna get my seat and everything ready. Load my shotgun because shooting hours. Let's see what happens. All right, super simple spread today. I got puddle of ducks there, spinning wing there with a puddle of ducks, some geese, puddle of ducks, and then I'm sitting back here. I gotta tuck myself in a little more. Should be good. And I got ghillie suit there, ghillie suit on me. Sheesh. There's a lot of ducks moving right now. I just had a 2-pack fly over here into the timber, probably woodies. I don't know where they're at. Might need to get some face paint on though. There's so many birds out right now. It's awesome. There's all the ducks. Watch this. One blue winger. Awesome. I've been selling my son, working all day. There's overtime hours, bull crap pay. I got too many layers on from my life jacket. Feel like I'm chubby. All right, gang, what's up? So today's challenge is I'm gonna see how many ducks I can shoot with just a jerk rig. So all I got is 4 decoys on this jerk rig. I'm gonna see what happens because motion is all you need. And I got 4 decoys, so we're gonna see if that's all you need to get it done today. And it's about an hour and 15 minutes till sundown, so let's do this. So we got our little hardcore jerk rig system here. Walkout sucked. Oh, that was not attached. So I got myself tucked back into these weeds right here.
4 decoys out there, so it's kind of a hassle. It's been a while since I ran it, but this is pretty much all it's going to do. Just back and forth, just creating that ripples in the water. It just looks like a bunch of decoys. I meant a bunch of, not a bunch, but the 4-pack sitting right here, which sometimes that's all it is. And then you'll see a bunch of birds work actually into it, because it's different, which is another thing that you guys should try at the same time. Is different. Different sometimes makes a huge difference, because throwing out spinners, I've known, keeping them away than just having water motions sometimes is the secret. But we're gonna try just the jerk rig today. Crap, I wasn't recording. That sucks. A couple ducks flew in, running the jerk string. Gun didn't cycle, so I wasn't able to get both of them. A little aggravating, but yep. Got one down. They landed out just a little bit. Wanted to be the leader of the pack, but I understand. Ooh, false bottom, no fun, but just a blue winger. I thought I was continuous recorded until I pushed the button, and then it said beep. I was like, oh gosh, I ain't recording at all. But to explain a little bit better, they came over right there, landed out there, got them. 2 of them, only got 1.